The warm and cozy aroma of these freshly baked gingerbread cookies is the perfect treat for the festive season or anytime you're craving a perfect fusion of rich spices. Let me show you how I make them. Add half a cup of melted butter and half a cup of sugar to a mixing bowl. Brown or white sugar is okay to use. Mix together for approximately 2 minutes with a hand mixer. Add 1 egg and keep mixing. Scrape the bowl as needed to ensure everything is getting evenly mixed. Keep mixing until it's light and fluffy, which takes about 2 to 3 more minutes. That's good. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The rich spices will make these cookies very tasty and warm. Mix that in until they are all well incorporated. That's perfect. Look how light and fluffy it is. Now let's add the flour. This is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Add half of the flour and fold it in. Add the remaining half and keep folding until it's well incorporated. That looks good. All the flour is mixed in. Cover the bowl with cling film and pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. This will help the flavors develop and keep the cookie dough firm. A firm dough prevents the cookies from spreading too much while baking. Once chilled, scoop the cookie dough and form the balls. You can scoop and mold the balls before refrigerating if you like. You can make the balls as large or as small as you like your cookies. Just make sure they are evenly sized. For this size, I got 12 cookies. Also, you can double, triple, or even half the recipe depending on how many cookies you want. I bake 6 cookies at a time. Don't overcrowd the baking sheet. Allow some space for the cookies to spread. Let's head to the preheated oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges are set and the cookies turn to a light golden brown color. That looks so good and smells amazing, guys. Let the cookies sit on the tray to set for 5 minutes, then place them on a wire rack to cool completely. Look how perfectly browned they are at the bottom. These cookies are soft, chewy, and very delicious. They are so easy to make when you're craving something warm and cozy. Thank you so much for joining me today. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you on the next one. Bye.